Hello and welcome to Ness and Andy's Travels.
Hello.
We are at Cromford Mills, as it says on the big sign at the back there, and two in front of me was a big wheel, water wheel. They're repairing it and generating up to 25% of electricity on site once it's fixed. Anyway, just do a quick.
We should have a picture somewhere of the wheel.
Yeah, I've got a beautiful picture of the wheel. This is all the mills, all the old mills, and we've got shops, individual shops. We've got antique shops, all sorts of shops all around.
There used to be a little museum part as well, where they had a video going about how the wheel worked.
That's right. Continues swooping round. I don't want to get Ness's nose in the way. And we're back to here. Anyway.
You can get my nose as long as you get the rest of the face as well.
Okay, we're going to
There's a
get
cheese
back
shop
to
there.
yeah, there's a tea shop, Arkwright's Cafe in there.
No, over here, the cheese shop.
That was a cheese shop. I thought you said tea shop.
No, there's a
cheese
cheese
shop. Right. Tea shop. Right. Countryside books selling baskets, and the interesting fact is that those baskets there right in front of that building we also sell, because there's a local firm that supplies those that we bought from ourselves. This is inspecting them all now, checking prices to see if they match our prices. Let's have a look and see. What are they charging for those, Ness, compared to us? Yeah, a lot dearer than what we're charging for them. So if you want some cheap baskets, have a look at our website.
You're not supposed to be using the video.
No, I know we're not. But why not? A little bit of advertising for www.John Richards Surplus. We've got baskets as well, cheaper than what they're selling there. Right, we're going to head back to the car now, because we're going to take you on another trip. If you want to know where Cromford Mills is, it's actually at Matlock. Well worth a visit if you're in the Matlock area. It's just at the bottom end of Matlock, and you turn left if you're coming out of Matlock. Keep coming round to your left, and there's a car park by the mills.
They have a lot of events here as well.
They do, yes. There's a Viking display, and
That's coming on the 5th and 6th of August.
yeah. So if you've got nothing to do in August and you're in the area, why not pop in and have a look? Right, I'm going to head back to the motor now.
This video might not go on till after that day.
No, this is true. Yes. Yeah, ignore that last statement, because by the time this video goes on, that will have long gone, so forget about that.
We've got Comic Con coming in here as well.
Yes.
Loads coming on.
Yeah. Right. Let's head back to the motor. Right, we're just coming out of Cromford Mills car park, and we're going to take a left, take you around the back road of Matlock. Let's see where it goes.
Cromford Canal's to the right.
Yeah, lots of parking there to the right. Lots of big walking area. Walk along the canal. Just going over the river now.
The river what?
The river that runs that way.
I'm going to see if I can find out on the sat nav what it is. It's not telling me.
No.
The river with no name. It's the Derwent.
Ah, of course it is, yes. Yes.
Cromford Station.
Yep.
One of the few places you can get by train these days. As long as the train's running.
Yeah, that's right. I'm actually running alongside of the Derwent now, just to my right hand side. Not a lot of water in there, even with all the rain we've had. It's not flowing that deep. We're actually on a road, it's called Lee Road.
Got no number on it.
No, no particular road number to it, it's just called Lee Road.
Yeah.
LEA. Gang of cyclists. See if we can get by them or not. Probably not.
No, we've got a little bend up here, so
Yeah.
just got to hope nothing's coming in the opposite direction.
Yeah, we got to just wait until we get round the corner. Yeah, alright.
Then go round the whole dog.
Yeah, that's a big
dog.
Yeah, bloody big dog. Go on.
Horse manure.
Let's skip on, get past before anything else comes. I never looked on the sign. I don't know where this road actually takes us. We're actually driving away from Cromford and Matlock now. It's a country lane in Derbyshire.
It actually goes round that way. There's a road up there, but I don't know if you can get to that road.
Well, we'll have a look and see when we get down here. What's this sign?
Yeah, if you can go right.
On the right is John Smedley's Mill. And
High Peak Junction.
Just to our right. That's just down to the Cromford.
No,
That's
that
a car
just takes
park.
you down to the canal.
Yeah. So John's. Oops. Slow down. Well, that's clever, isn't it, mate?
That's very clever. Twit.
I'll put my hand up to that one, but
Yeah.
not to that idiot.
Well, we've turned. Apparently.
Yeah.
So we followed the road round. We're going
To our left.
to our left now.
Hmm.
Which direction that is, I don't know.
No.
Because I haven't got my compass again.
Well, it goes to Critch this way.
Lee that way.
Yeah.
Critch and Holloway. Lee
Yeah.
Bridge. There's a Lee Bridge in London.
Diverted traffic. Oh. Looks like we could be having to turn around. But I've just come up another road. We seem to be blighted with roads today that are closed. So we're going to have to do a
No,
turn.
well, this is diverted traffic, so you're supposed to come this way.
Are you? Well, it's
That
just-
sign said diverted traffic point in this way.
Oh, well, hopefully, yeah.
Mind you, there's also a sign for roadworks.
Yes. Single file traffic. Oh, no, they must be coming this way.
Yeah, traffic light. Of course, there's a traffic light.
Yeah.
Yay! Saw us coming.
Yeah. You watch, she will get up here and there's a road block straight across the road.
Right, we're now on Mill Lane.
Holloway. We are?
Holloway, that's in London as well.
Yeah. The home of Florence Nightingale.
Oh, whoopee-doo.
Ah.
Ah, interesting.
Yeah, road closed ahead,
Ah,
apparently.
well, that's no good.
No, so we're going to have to...
This is Church Street. Oh, we're coming up to Church Street.
Yeah, we're going to have to go up Church Street then because that road is closed. I don't know where this road takes us.
To a church?
Maybe. Might be a dead end for all I know. We'll go up here. Just a bit of an adventure, isn't it?
Yeah.
Find out where we get to when we get there.
Yeah. Why that dog doesn't run out.
Yeah, watching a little Jack Russell. There it is.
He's a sweet little Jack.
Not quite as small as the one we've just seen. Saw a
No.
miniature one in Cromford Mill.
Lovely
Very
little
cute.
miniature Jack. He was so cute, peeping out from under the lady's skirt. Very interested in my sausage. Well, what do they call it? A sausage cob.
Yes. So it's a cob, or to other people might call it a bap.
Yeah.
You can't sort of call it a roll because it's
It
round.
wasn't a roll. No, I'd call it a bat, but it was toasted, so it was more of a crunch.
Yes. It was very much of a crunch. Very nice sausage though.
It was nice.
Cumberland sausage.
Yes.
Yeah, and a busy little cafe it was. It was just non-stop coming in, getting food. They do quite well.
Right, we're in Lee now. This is Lee because we've just come past Lee Primary School.
Yeah. Don't know where we're going, but just keep reading. Oh, we're going to a giveaway. Let's
We're
see
going
what
that
this-
way.
Sign there says Matlock and Cromford. Well, that's where we've come from.
We've got Alfreton to the right.
We'll go to the right. You can see what's coming.
Nothing's coming, you're okay.
Right.
Lee Main Road. This is.
Right. We're back in Lee again.
You'll end up going round in a circle.
Yeah, we could come back to where we
Well, it
came.
doesn't, according to the sat nav, it doesn't look like we're going round in a circle.
No.
We came up Church Street there, didn't we? And the school was up there.
Mm.
So we're actually going out through the main part. We weren't in the main part of the
Village.
village. Village?
It's a village.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a village.
Quite a big village.
They're quite spread about. A
Mm.
bit like our own village of where we live.
Mm.
Another voyage of discovery for us because we've never been round these roads before. So.
No, it's a voyage of Range Rover. We're not in a discovery.
No. Voyage of the Black Beast. The Black Beast goes on another adventure.
Yeah. The Adventures of Rangy.
Yeah.
Maybe that's what we should have called. No, we can't call it that.
They're going to do a little detour again. And
Right.
we're going to go down a very narrow lane and see where this takes us.
Okay.
Could end up in somebody's garden or in a farmyard in a minute. But we'll find out.
Found sheep. Hello, sheep. Well, this goes into D-Thick Lane. What a strange name. D-Thick.
Is it D-Thick or Dethick?
I don't know.
If they pronounce it Dethick.
There'll be a junction
Yeah.
there.
We haven't a clue where we are except we're in Derbyshire and we're not far from Matlock.
We're in Shore Lane.
You sure?
Now, is that D-Thick or Dethick?
Yeah, that's a good question. That's one for somebody to comment on, if you know.
Yes, if you live in the area, can you tell us? Is it Dethick or Dethick?
It's a little countryside ramble. Except we're not walking. Very much like driving around our own very Shropshire roads. Lots of narrow roads. It's the same with every county pretty well.
Yeah. Except Norfolk, it'll be flat.
This is very true, yeah. Very flat. Policeman up here. What are you doing? Oh, there's something on.
Oh, wonder what that is.
Don't know. Oh. Whatever it was, it's come to an end.
Yes, it's all finishing now.
Yeah.
Portaloos are still there.
And we're coming to a main road. A615.
Matlock to the left, Alfreton to the right.
And we're going to go back towards
Matlock.
Matlock. Right, we'll just show you the view in front of us now. If you can catch that. The distance.
Can I zoom in a bit?
You can try and zoom in.
There we
There
go.
we go. We're going to say thanks for watching, because we're going to bring this video to an end as we head down into Matlock.
See you again soon.
If you like what you see, click the like.
And subscribe.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.